How to earn money online without investment. In the digital age, the internet has opened up numerous opportunities for individuals to earn money online without the need for significant upfront investments. Whether you're looking to make a side income or replace your traditional 9-to-5 job, there are various avenues to explore. In this guide, we'll delve into different methods and strategies to help you earn money online without spending a dime. 1. Freelancing. Leverage your skills. One of the maximum reachable ways to make cash online is through freelancing. If you have a talent together with writing, image layout, programming, or social media management, you could offer your offerings on freelancing systems like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and begin bidding on relevant projects. As you complete more jobs, positive reviews will help you build a solid reputation, leading to more opportunities. 2. Online surveys. Share your opinion. Several websites pay users for participating in online surveys. Companies value consumer opinions, and they are willing to compensate you for your time. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vandal Research provide paid surveys on a variety of topics. At the same time as the profits might not be vast, it could be a handy manner to earn some extra cash throughout your free time. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Affiliate advertising involves selling different humans' merchandise and incomes a fee for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sign up for affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, and promote products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Success in affiliate marketing requires building an audience and creating engaging content that encourages people to click on your affiliate links. 4. Content creation. YouTube and blogging. If you enjoy creating videos or writing, platforms like YouTube and blogging can be lucrative. Create treasured and attractive content material in a niche you're obsessed with. Monetization options consist of commercials, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Building an audience takes time, so be patient and consistent in delivering quality content. Utilize SEO strategies to increase visibility and attract a larger audience. 5. Online tutoring. Share your expertise. If you have expertise in a specific situation, consider providing online tutoring offerings. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Instruct.com, and VIPKid connect tutors with college students looking for help in various subjects. You may set your personal agenda and train from the comfort of your own home. A strong understanding of your subject matter and effective communication skills are essential for success in online tutoring. 6. Virtual assistants support businesses. Remotely, businesses and entrepreneurs often require virtual assistants to help with tasks such as email management, social media, data entry, and customer support. Websites like RemoteOK, Upwork, and Indeed feature virtual assistant opportunities. As a virtual assistant, you can work for multiple clients, providing support and assistance based on their specific needs. 7. Stock photography. Sell your photos. When you have a talent for pictures, keep in mind promoting your pics on inventory images websites. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow photographers to upload and promote their snapshots. Businesses, bloggers, and content creators often purchase stock photos for their projects. Ensure your photos meet the quality standards of the platform to increase your chances of sales. 8. Write and sell ebooks. Monetize your knowledge. In case you're informed about a selected subject matter, remember writing and self-publishing ebooks. Structures like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, assist you to submit and sell your ebooks globally. Focus on providing valuable content and marketing your ebook to your target audience. Over time, you can build a passive income stream from ebook sales. 9. Remote customer support. Help customers from domestic. Many corporations hire far-flung customer support representatives to address inquiries and provide support to customers. Websites like Remote.co and Indeed feature remote customer service job listings. Strong communication skills and the ability to troubleshoot and solve problems are essential for success in this role. 10. Online courses. Teach what you know. If you have knowledge in a selected field, recall developing and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and monetize courses on a variety of subjects. Develop high-quality, engaging content, and market your courses to your target audience. As your courses gain positive reviews, your reputation as an instructor will grow, leading to increased sales.